Hey, this video is for all of you solar sales superstars out there, okay? Check this out. This is the video that your current agency or master agent or installer probably doesn't want you to see, okay? So get a pen handy, write this number down, 215. I'm talking about a $2.15 per watt red line installed, soup to nuts, site survey, engineering, permits, equipment, installation, everything done, $2.15 per watt, okay? That's just for starters. That's not with a big minimum volume or anything like that. There's no minimums on this. This is for you guys that sell one deal a month. This is for you guys that sell 10 deals a week, okay? And again, it only gets better with volume, so check it out. On top of that, we've got a referral program that'll knock your socks off. If you've got somebody that you know that you want to refer to us to get that deal, and you don't have the ability to manage sub-agents and all that goes with that, refer them to us. We will pay you in perpetuity for everything that they write. So that's right. You refer them to us, we do the work, they make the sales, you get paid on their deals. Not bad, right? In addition to this, your 100th install, check this is so rad, your 100th install is completely free. 100% free. Not a penny a watt, free, okay? So do that, and then for you guys that are selling batteries, primarily the guys working in the SRP territory, some of you guys that are doing batteries in APS, you're gonna love this. We're one of only 6 certified Tesla Powerwall 2 installers in the state of Arizona. We are giving you the Tesla Powerwall 2 installed, soup to nuts, all peripherals that go with it for $11,995. $11,995. That's our daily normal price, not a special promotional price, right? You do more volume, the price gets better from there. We already know that at $11,995, we've got everybody in the market beat. So don't let anybody get in your ear and say, oh, they can't afford to stay in business by doing this, or it's gonna be old junky equipment. It's all new state-of-the-art stuff, all the good stuff, the name brand stuff, and we're gonna help you rock it, make a ton more money, help your customers save a ton more money, and get this done. You wanna be with a company that's gonna be in it for the long haul, that's already got the incentives going away beat. Reach out to us. You can call me on the phone number on the screen, or the email, website, whatever we put up there. Google Box, smoke signals, I don't care what it is, do what you gotta do to get in touch with us, all right? In the meantime, I hope you make it a great day, continued success to you, and don't forget, I'm Mr. Sunshine.